So I was getting ready to get my bike out of storage, you know, putting the seat back, the battery, oil change, cleaning the chain, adjusting it, and just for fun it decided to start snowing again. Now I know the camera can pick it up. It's snowing. We're in the middle of end of April. That's nice. So let's get on working on this, and well, I won't ride today, but at least gonna be ready for as soon as some sun and warm weather comes up, I can ride. There it is! Almost lost the strap. And yeah. Battery is in. That's it. Put the seat back on, and we're gold. This is funny. During the whole winter I was looking for my key. I was sure I lost it again. I left it on the seat lock. Oh, I still have 2 keys. That's good. It's out for the first time. I'm going to need to readjust these. You know, it's fun. My strap is being loose because I pull on it to move the bike around. Let's hear our war. Let's start the bike. See if it's going to start on the first try. Pretty much sure it will. It usually does. It's alive. It's been a while since I have ridden. It's gonna be back. Purrs real good. Gotta let the bike warm up before I do the oil change. Drain the new oil. Yeah, she sounds good. this is a specialty tool. It's a toothbrush. I mean, if it's good enough for me, it's good enough for my bike. Right in the middle of my chain cleaning process. Look at this. It's snowing, really. It's really snowing. Look at my car. There's snow. Even on the bike. The camera is not waterproof. That sucks. So, my original plan was to take the bike home. That went out the window. So I'm gonna wait until this passes a little bit and lube the chain up. Because now it's clean, it's really like for once I took my time and cleaned my chain really well. Poor baby girl. Stuck outside in the snow. Look at that, look at that. So I guess this is it for today. In the next few weeks, I'm gonna do the show you the L filter cleaning because it's a K&N I got on my FZ, and the Graves smog block-off plates. That's gonna be cool because you have to take the tank off to get the L filters, so you gotta take the L filter box to get to the block-off. So 2 birds with 1 stone. I'm not gonna do that today.